If you can't tell which art tool I use to create each of these lines, you better stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Albert van der Swart. Welcome to Imperfect Paintings, sparking your creativity to create the art you love. When I started painting, I hardly had any money to spend on art tools. I was in my 40s, we had 2 young kids, but something was missing in my life. A friend suggested making art and recommended me this holistic art school where I could enroll without any painting experience. I was shocked to see all the art tools that the others brought to the classroom. I only had 5 cheap identical brushes. And of course, over time I bought more art tools. But let's begin by showing you quickly these 5 classic art tools. I turn to these all the time, because from experience I know how to handle them. Here I paint just one line. I love this process of observing what will happen. Doing also raises new questions. What will happen if I use more or less pressure? Twist my brush a little. Try how far the paint will take me. All coming from making just one brush stroke. And how about these? First, an old credit card or membership card. Creativity can be in what you make, but just as easy in what you use. These next 5 items you'll probably already have available for free. Like this scrub sponge. I cut them into 6 equal pieces and use them multiple times. Just rinse under a tap. Over to a paper towel. You can fold it neatly if you want to, or do like this. Try both ways and see what the outcome looks like. Oh, did you see? An extra line for free. I love happy accidents like this. All these items do have one downside. You can't control them as well as a brush. So you end up with less perfect lines. But if that's what you're afraid of, I recommend to start using them and loosen up your art style. When you stop trying to control everything, it could just be that you enjoy making art a lot more. So let's make it a little more crazy. An old toothbrush. Most people just throw it away without a second thought. But look what a beautiful artwork you can create using garbage. I suggest to look at every item you want to throw away this coming week and think, can this be my next art tool? Do some experiments like this. Make some marks and perhaps write next to it what you used to make them and keep it for future reference. And yes, we put chocolate sprinkles on our bread. We Dutch love it. And a part of the box helps me to make a line like this. But even regular art tools can be used in different ways. Like this new triple brush tool I made from 3 old brushes I wanted to throw away. I took some masking tape and a marble and created this new art tool. In case you are interested to see me using it when painting, link up here and in the description below. All these lines may look like nothing, but how about this? Almost any line can be used to create a beautiful card to send to your loved ones. I just have to show you these. In a minute we will get to the question I asked you at the beginning of the video. Remember? Can you tell me which art tool I used to make these lines? I just showed them all to you. Here they come. It's not that complicated. It's just another way of thinking. In my case, a lack of money forced me to be creative in choosing my art tools. Later on it became second nature for me to use anything I could find. I see it as a playful way of making art. It is like when you have something to write down and look for a pen and use a pencil instead because you can't find a pen. You can do this because you have experience using both. Try to translate this to the way you use your art tools. What is holding you back to try new things? I would love to hear about your favorite art tools in the comments down below. Call it crazy or call it creative thinking. A friend told me this story a while ago. A young boy came for a visit and told her he didn't know how to paint. She told him anyone can paint, but he didn't believe her. So she took some mandarins and later put some paint on the table and they started to play. I just wanted to share this story with you. As you can see, the result doesn't look that perfect. Just know it's my first time using the peels of a mandarin, but the next time I will wait for the paint to dry before applying the second layer. Learning by doing and not being afraid to mess up. I just love this principle. In case you like to see me make a number of simple black and white paintings using different art tools, just click on the link and I will see you over there in the next video.